Poor drainage can cause serious foundation problems. Many homeowners don't realise it until cracks begin appearing. Now, water is one of the most damaging forces around a building. If too much collects beside foundations, or if leaking drains slowly wash material away underground, parts of the structure can begin moving differently from others. That movement can sometimes look very similar to subsidence. Typical warning signs include cracks appearing around doors and windows, sloping floors, sticking doors, movement around bay windows, sinking paths or patios, damp patches near external walls, repeated block drains, small voids appearing beneath paving. Now, one of the most important things to understand is that drainage related movement is usually gradual. A leaking drain may continue for years before visible structural symptoms appear. In clay soil, excess water can soften the ground beneath foundations, and in sandy or loose soils, water movement can slowly wash supporting material away. So, sometimes the drain itself collapses. Sometimes joints separate. Sometimes drains can deform underground. The difficult part is that the cracks alone do not reveal the real cause, and this is why proper investigation matters. Structural engineers and surveyors often look at crack patterns, drainage layouts, CCTV drain surveys, nearby trees, foundation depth, soil conditions, historic movement, water escape routes around the property. In many cases, repairing the drainage problem is far more important than repairing the crack itself, because if the underlying leak continues, cosmetic repairs may simply crack again later. This is also why some houses are incorrectly diagnosed with subsidence when the real issue is drainage failure. And okay, fair enough, the opposite can happen as well. Not every drainage issue causes structural movement, and not every crack means foundations are failing. The key is identifying whether movement is ongoing, what is causing it, and whether the structure is still changing. So if you are seeing cracks together with drainage problems, it is usually sensible to investigate both together rather than treating them separately, because sometimes the real problem is not the problem with the wall that you can see. It's the water under the wall that you cannot see. So on we go to the next video.